In this video we're going to look at ordering numbers. We'll begin by ordering whole numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means starting with the smallest, going up to the largest. When ordering whole numbers, the first thing you need to do is look at how many digits the numbers have. 37 has 2 digits, 333 has 3 digits, 332 has 3 digits as well, which means 37, because it only has 2 digits, must be the smallest number. Next, what we need to do is we need to look at the place value column that is largest in value. In hundreds, tens and ones, the hundreds is the largest value. So we're going to look at the hundreds column. 333 has 3 in the hundreds column. 332 also has 3 in the hundreds column, which means we cannot use the hundreds to order these numbers. So we move to the next place value down, in this case the tens. 333 has 3 in the tens column, 332 has 3 in the tens column. They're the same number, so we cannot use the tens to order these numbers. So we move to the next place value down, which is the ones column. 333 has 3 in the ones column, 332 has 2 in the ones column. 2 is smaller than 3, which means 332 is smaller than 333. Now we're going to do the same, but with some slightly larger numbers. Now these numbers, as you can see, go to the 10,000s. I'm going to do exactly the same as what I did before. First of all, I'm going to count how many digits each number has, because they're all whole numbers. 3059 has 4 digits. 43,733 has 5 digits. 43,433 also has 5 digits, which means, because it only has 4 digits, 3059 is the smallest number. Okay, now I'm going to use the place value to try and help me order the remaining 2 numbers. I'm going to start, as I did before, with the largest value place value, in this case the 10,000s. 43,733 has 4 in the 10,000s. 43,433 also has 4 in the 10,000s, which suggests we cannot use the 10,000s to order the last 2 numbers. So I'll move to the next place value down, which is the thousands column. 43,733 has 3 in the thousands column. 43,433 also has 3 in the thousands column, which means we can't use the thousands to help order the last 2 numbers. So again, we move down to the next place value, which is the hundreds. 43,733 has a 7 in the hundreds column. 43,433 has 4 in the hundreds column, which means, because 4 is smaller than 7, it means 43,433 is smaller than 43,733. For the last part of this video, we're going to look at ordering decimal numbers. Now, decimal numbers, when ordering decimal numbers, it can work slightly differently, and you're going to see why a little bit later on in the video. To begin with, what I want you to do is I want you to ignore anything to the right of the decimal point. Anything to the right of the decimal point is less than 1. It's not a whole number. I want you to focus on the whole numbers to begin with. Okay, now we're going to do exactly the same as what we previously did. Count the number of digits in the whole numbers. 26 has 2 digits. 464 has 3 digits, and another 464 which has 3 digits as well, which means 26, because it only has 2 digits, must be the smallest number. Again, as previously, what we're going to do is we're going to now look at the place value column that is highest in value to help us order, which is the hundreds column. Now, in the hundreds column, we've got a 4 in 464, and because it's 464, that's also a 4 in the hundreds column there, which means that the tens column, they both have the same digit, and in the ones column, they also have the same digit, because both numbers are 464. Now, at this point, what you need to do is you need to now go into the digits that represent less than 1, less than a whole number. In this one, in the tenths column, 464.9, we have a 9. And in 464.69, we have a 6. Now, 6 is smaller than 9, which means 464.69 is smaller than 464.9, which means that 464.9 is the largest number. Now, this is why it is very important to ignore the digits that are less than 1 to begin with, because if we simply counted the digits, 26.69 has 4 digits, 46.49, 464.9 has 4 digits, and 464.69 has 5 digits. Now that would mean that 464.9, which has 4 digits, is smaller than 464.69. Well, it's not, because actually in the tenths column we have a larger digit in 464.9 than we do in 464.69. So it's very important when working with decimals not to simply count the digits. You must look very closely at the value of the digits, what place value column they are in.